Hello friends, good morning. This is yet another video in this channel. In this channel we are going to discuss about what today? About white tester not glowing in neutral. Let's move on inside to the video, right? White line tester not glowing in neutral. It doesn't mean current flow is in phase side only and will not be in the neutral side. Actually, for a current to flow, the circuit must close. Actually, the amount of current that flows into phase should return through the neutral. Only then the circuit will be considered as closed and current will start flowing in it. This is the basic principle of RCCB, that is residual current circuit breaker. It acts as a earth leakage detection device. About that we will discuss next videos, right? As the voltage between the neutral and earth is less than 5 volt, the current flow between the neutral and earth is almost zero. Means neutral and earth will be of same potential, because what happens in a distribution side transformer, the star point is earth and the same star point, from there only the neutral is also coming. Means the two wires, one wire is from the star point, one wire goes to the earth and another wire comes considered as neutral, and that wire travels along the entire system. So that the neutral and earth will be of same potential. So what will be? It will be very less than 5 volt and ideally it will be less than 1 volt. So current flow between the neutral and earth is almost zero. Why? Because the current to flow, the circuit must be closed and there must be enough amount of voltage to drive the electrons. As the current flow is almost zero between the neutral and earth, the tester will not glow. When the tester will glow, only the circuit is closed and enough amount of voltage is required, and only then the tester will glow. About this tester and the test lamps, I have discussed in first two videos, and if you want you can go and check into it, right? I am giving the description in the link description below and also giving the iCard also. You can check it. What if the tester is glowing in both phase and neutral? In which case tester will glow in both phase and neutral. When the tester will glow in neutral also, tester will glow in neutral side also only when the neutral got disconnected from the circuit. Means when the circuit is disconnected from the loop, if you keep the tester on that time in neutral terminal, tester will glow. How it happens? How? When the neutral got disconnected, voltage between the neutral and earth will increase, which cause current to flow between neutral and earth, and thus bulb glows. As said previously, for the current to flow, the circuit to be closed. Then how it is possible here? If the neutral got disconnected from the circuit, it is considered to be of open circuit. And in open circuit, how the current flows? You may have a doubt like this. What happens? If you touch that using the tester, the circuit is closing by your body to the earth, and thus current flows through your body. But the amount of current that flows is very negligible, and it is restricted heavily by the resistor that is connected across the neon lamp, and hence the in line tester the neon bulb will glow. In neutral side also, when the neutral got disconnected from the circuit. You can see in the circuit diagram, assuming the power to be load in the switch on. Here in this case, we assume that the circuit breaker or the switch is in on condition and the power supply is coming to the load, right? And the load is in good operating condition. Normally what happens between phase and neutral, normal working condition, and if we switch on, the voltage across the load will be 230 volt, and the voltage between the neutral and the earth should be less than 5 volt, ideally less than 1 volt. So in this case, tester will glow only in phase and not in neutral, and the load will, because the potential difference between the neutral and earth is less than 5 volts. So next case, when neutral got disconnected from the supply, assuming the power to the load is switched on and the load is in good operation condition, it is same as this. But what happens in this? The power is switched on, load is in good operating condition, neutral is close to the circuit. But in this case what happens? The power is switched on, load is in good condition, but neutral got disconnected from the circuit. When the neutral got disconnected from the circuit, what happens? The line will not close, and this neutral and this phase will behave as same and it will be of in same potential difference. See, if load phase is coming, the load and it stops here. It not goes to the circuit, it is not going back to the neutral point. So what happens? The potential difference between the phase and neutral will be of less than 5 volt, and potential difference between the neutral and the earth will be of 230 volt. Normally in any case, whether neutral got disconnected or connected, the potential difference between phase and earth will be of 230 volt, because it is the earth potential is same as the neutral potential. So what potential difference that is between phase and neutral will be same as in phase and earth. So what will be the, when neutral got disconnected, what will be the potential difference across neutral and earth? It will be 230 volt. When neutral got disconnected, when neutral is connected, it is less than 5 volt. So when neutral got disconnected, the potential difference between the neutral and earth will be of 230 volt. So when I keep the tester here, actually now it is not a neutral point, it is a disconnected neutral point. So when I keep the tester here or in the load terminal here, neutral side, tester will glow in phase and neutral, but the load will not work because load need currents to drive it. When current will flow, only when the circuit closes the current will flow, and hence in this case you will get tester glowing in phase and neutral, phase terminals and in neutral terminals, but the load will not work. This is the case, means tester will glow in both phase and neutral when neutral got disconnected from the circuit, right? Okay friends, we came to the end of the session. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button also, and press the bell button too, so that you will be notified whenever I post a new videos. Don't forget to comment and share the video to your friends.